Do you want $1,800 worth of free singing lessons? Of course you do. My name is Peter Voxon. I am the director and principal teacher of Vox Singing Academy, and I have been a professional vocal coach for the past 28 years, and I have taught numerous high-profile professional singers with major label recording and performance contracts, and I have put all of my vast array of knowledge and experience regarding singing tuition into the ultimate online singing courses. I guarantee that you will hear and feel a vast improvement in your voice in just 3 weeks if you practice most days. Feel stronger and develop confidence in your voice. Learn correct breathing techniques. Expand your vocal range in true voice and falsetto. Learn vocal anatomy. Learn how to apply all of these techniques into songs. Learn how to warm up your voice correctly. Vocal care and health. Microphone technique and stage presentation, learn harmonies, pitch and ear training, learn how to develop vibrato, mixed and blended voice, learn vocal breath control scales and how to sing raspy and scream safely. Also, vocal and life coaching is provided. Designed for all genres of contemporary singing, these courses are fun and easy to follow. Convenient because you can do them anywhere at any time, designed for adults and children, males and females, with myself and a female teacher giving examples on all courses. There are 4 full courses: entry level, intermediate, advanced and pro, and 17 short custom courses on an array of singing topics. These courses contain 16 hours of theoretical and practical singing lessons, including over 140 different vocal scale exercises for every singing and vocal skill desired. 16 hours worth of singing lessons with myself will cost you $1,800. But for a limited time only, you can get all of this for free, so click the link below today to start your unlimited 5-day free trial.